You are ready to create your thumbnail. Now you're thinking, what are the do's and don'ts that I should follow in order for my thumbnail to be clickable and I get that click that I want so that people can watch my content. This video will tackling that. So the first thing that I do most of the time when I'm creating thumbnails, I go to people in my niche and I get inspiration and look at their thumbnails that work for them. For example, I'll jump in on Vanessa Lau's YouTube channel and I'll have a look at the thumbnails and I'll see which one talks to me and inspire me. And you can see immediately in most of her thumbnails, she has an expression on her face. She has big text on her thumbnail. So if somebody's scrolling through their feed, the facial expression stops you on a track and you want to see what is she talking about. And I would jump in on Think Media's channel. I would have a look because they are very good with YouTube. And I would look and see what works. And they teach beautiful information when it comes to how to grow your YouTube channel. And I would go and look at different kinds of channels. One of my most favorite channels is Design with Canva. Ronnie and Diana, they teach Canva. They are amazing at what they are doing. So I would go in on their videos and I would have a look at their thumbnails. Again, big expressions. The text is huge. Colors are very attractive. And which tells you the rule is make your thumbnail as less as possible. The text needs to catch the eye. The colors need to contrast with the background. So if you have a dark background, you need to have a light color text, and the facial expressions needs to be huge and bold because people are scrolling on their phones. Whether you're using Adobe Photoshop or Canva or Adobe Express or whatever software that you're using, the principle is still the same. You need to create thumbnails that catch the eye. We're going to quickly create a thumbnail together. I'm not going to use my hashtag Canva forever because I love Canva. I want to mix things up a bit today and I want to use Adobe Express, and I don't have a paid version of Adobe Express. I want to show you a free version of the thumbnail that we're creating. So once you land on the landing page of Adobe, you're going to search for templates. So I'm going to search for YouTube thumbnails. When you click on the magnifying glass, you get to view 1,394 YouTube thumbnails. They are categorized between art, business, education, as you see with the number that it shows. So you're welcome to click on view all just for art and view all just for business. It depends on what niche are you currently in. So as I scroll through here, I picked this one that talked to me, this hiking trails. So you could hover and you can click where it says start from, and the thumbnail is loaded on your canvas. So I love the background and I'm going to keep it. I'm also going to keep the beautiful font that's here because it's huge and it's striking. When you click and you select on the font, it will tell you the name of the font. So you could save it for yourself if you want to use that in future and you start editing the thumbnail. I'm going to select the picture that's added on there and I'm going to click on replace because I want to replace this picture with a huge striking one that talks to what I want to teach in this lesson. So you're going to go to your search functionality and you're going to look for, I started typing thinking, and then it gives me the results from Adobe stock. So if the picture that you want to use has a crown, then you know that that is paid stock. If you find one that doesn't have a crown, then it's not paid stock. So you could scroll through like this young lady. So I could click on it and I would replace the picture that's already on there. And it looks like that. There's a layer that was added just below that. Delete this layer for that previous picture that we had. So we could use this one. It's nice, it's big, she's thinking, and we could use her. Otherwise, you could use websites like pexels.com, unsplash.com, and Pixabay and so on. I loved this picture of this young lady. You could download the picture and it automatically downloads. I love that she's looking at us that way. Then you jump back to Adobe Express and you select the image that's already there and you click on replace in order for you to upload the one picture that you've downloaded from an external place. So then you go and you click, you select the picture and you add it on there. That's the beautiful thing about Adobe. It automatically removes the background because it has that software, even if you have a free version of Adobe Express. I don't know how long they're gonna give that to us for free, but anyway, it's there. So you could size her photo. We're wanting to get her eyes and the size of the picture or the image to make somebody stop when they're scrolling through their feed, and it looks like that. I love that picture. Then you click on your text and you change your text to what you want it to be, just like that. Then I'm going to duplicate my text, so I would highlight it like that, click on duplicate, and then change the color of the text and make it a bright yellow. And you move it so that it creates that 3D effect of your text. And I'll change the rest of the text. And voila, your thumbnail, nicely done, cool, no problem. Then you're going to click on your download button. You can download it on any format that you want. I'm going to stick with PNG. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It helps my channel grow so much if you do subscribe. If you wondered if you should use Canva or if you should use Adobe Express, I've done this video before to help you along in that decision. I will see you on the next video.